going to be a really quick video. It's just basically, what do you do when you have your foundation that's way too light and you are way too dark? What do? You know, go out and buy a brand new mascara, brand new foundation that you're only going to use for a couple of months and then back to your normal thing once your tan fades? Well, here's a really quick fix if you are in a bind of that sort where you're noticing, hey, this is really not matching. I don't have time to run to the store, so what do I do? So I'm gonna show you. So a quick little tip to do. So for example, I'm gonna take the Pro Matte by LA Girl. This is the Longwear Matte Foundation. And this is actually in the color Natural. And I actually made this mistake when I bought it. I thought it was gonna be a lot darker. And as you can tell, it is definitely not. So I'm gonna rub this all over the back of my hand so you can see what a difference it is to my skin tones. You could tell, yes. Doesn't blend very well, does it now? Does not blend well at all. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to actually take my bronzer here, and this one is the MAC Studio Sculpt Defining Bronzing Powder in Delicates. And I'm gonna use my kabuki brush. And all I'm doing is just kind of brushing up loose powder. And then all I'm gonna do is just dab it right on. So lightly just dab it all over. Well, this would technically be on your face, but this all over the back of your hand, my hand. And I'm gonna just start to smooth it out. You can also, if you have somewhere to put your foundation in to squeeze it out on, you can also just brush loose powder and then mix it in. That's also another option. So depending on the color of your tone, you may need to use various different shades of bronzing powder. That will definitely help make the foundation look a lot more natural and less colored. So you can already tell what a difference it's doing. Now it's not quite 100%, but it's still a lot better than what it was before. So you can already tell the difference, that it's blending in so much better than the really whiteness that I had before. So that's a quick little tip that I can give you guys. You know, it happens. We're gonna get tan, we're gonna get darker, and we don't always have the luxury of changing our foundations or having extra foundations like I do. So I really hope you enjoyed this tip, and if you found this video helpful, give me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe, and also follow me on Themakeupphase. Bye loves. Mwah.